Hey, what is going on YouTube? I'm going to show you another exciting video where you have to sideload apps and then you'll be able to do some extra features with those apps like YouTube++ and etc. So all you have to do is navigate to Altstore.io, download the server for macOS or Windows, whichever you need, and once you start it up, you have to go to the mail plugin and you start email like this, and you'll go to email preferences and you have to enable that plugin. Exit from here, but do not close the application. So let's install this little application. Install Altstore to my little device. Of course I will use my Apple ID that I don't need, like this. Alright, make sure you use one that you don't really need, or it will be banned and you'll lose everything there. I don't recommend that. So install it, wait a couple of seconds. Okay, no issues. I already installed it to my device, so basically I'm not installing it to any other device, and it will not delete anything else. It will just reinstall it on my device. Okay, it will take a few seconds. Let's wait for it and I'll show you right away how it looks like on my device. You have to go here, the settings, general, and you go to profile and device management, and you click on your Apple ID and you have to trust that certificate. In my case, I already trusted that certificate, so no need to do that again. All right, now how do you sideload these apps? How you get, for example, a YouTube that doesn't have ads, or an Instagram that has extra features to download things. You go to a web page that's called iOS Ninja. I'll show you right here, iOS Ninja IO, and here I can choose, for example, Instagram Rhino or something else that you want. You will have to click the download IPA. It will take you to the download section, and once you download it, for example, like I have Circube right here, you just click on that specific application, share it with Altstore, and it will load it right here. You have to wait a couple of seconds. It will load it like this. Of course, you have to sign in again with your Apple device, Apple ID. Alright, so after you installed your app that you wanted, you will see that the expiry is in 7 days. You have to repeat this process that I showed you, and after that you're good to go. So just for demonstration purposes, right here I have a YouTube that's already working. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, and I'll see you next time.